Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesh Nyak Shimash, there's an aeroplane flying over. Hope you're all well today. So today is the first video of me using the wireless microphone. So I have the little Boya BYWM4 transmitter here in my pocket. The microphone is here on my lapel, and we are ready to do another gadget review using this. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Just going to take a little drink. Lovely. So what have I got for you guys today? Well, absolute bargain time. Amazon Echo Dots second generation, or is it the third? Anyway, it's the latest generation. Reduced down to £24 on Amazon for the bank holiday. Absolute bargain review. So I thought, right, I'm going to get one. So I got one. So here it is. Let's unbox. Now, I've done lots of reviews on the Amazon Echo. And the latest one I have, which is in the garage, which is the Amazon Echo. It's like a disc. It's the input. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 2:29 p.m.
It's 2:29 p.m. And Alexa, what's the weather at the moment? She didn't hear me. Alexa, what's the weather at the moment?
In Grantham, it's 12 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies.
12
Today,
degrees.
You can expect clouds with a chance of showers, with a high of 13 degrees and a low of...
Warm today on Tuesday, the day after the bank holiday, but it is going to get warmer by the end of the week, so it says. Anyway, let's get back to the review. So this Echo Dot, this is the second of the latest generation that I have, and this one is in a color that I thought, well, I'm going to go for a different color. I'm going to go for something a little bit more brighter. So this one is the whiter one. I can't remember what it's called, the actual color. But anyway, so this is Alexa with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out, Echo Dot, Alexa play top songs, call mum, what's the weather, Alexa stop, far field...
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Far field voice control, supporting Amazon Music, Spotify, BBC, TuneIn, Hue, TP-Link, Hive, and more. So what's included? Amazon Echo Dot, oh sorry, third generation, and the 15-watt power adapter. www.amazon.com/devices support. Device support. Can't read today. Anyway, let's get you guys a little bit closer. We'll open up the box and take a look at another of the Echo Dots. So I have a number of these dots dotted around the house. If you watch my channel on a regular basis, you will know. So I'm just going to slice the seal open and open the box. And here we go. So this is the lighter version of it. It's a lot heavier than the other Echo Dots, the first and the second generation, but the sound quality on it is just so much better. So we have the hockey puck, we have the instructions, and in the bottom we have the cable. These are very, very simple to set up. I'm a bit of a dab hand at these now. That's the elastic band, which I'll keep. I'm going to unwrap the hockey puck and slide it out. Now, the one thing that I didn't like about these was the fact that you can't use a micro USB port to charge it anymore, because obviously it's more power to it with a better speaker, so it needs more power. So they've had to use these power adapters with them, and they're not exactly small, to say the least. Let's remove the packaging off it, but there we go. You can also, I've got one in the kitchen, I've got the cover for it, so you can put it in and have it all wrapped up nice and neat. Go back and check my video on the one there. So the first thing I'm going to do is plug it in And then I'm going to plug it into the dot, and it lights up. I'm now going to take my iPad and I'm going to go into the Alexa app. Alexa, stop. Stop. So while that's doing its thing, it's going to sing some song.
Hello. Bringing your device online. Just a moment.
Ich verbinde dein Gerät. Bitte hab einen Moment Geduld. Connexion de votre appareil. Veuillez patienter.
Connessione del dispositivo in corso. Attendi. Espera un momento a que el dispositivo se conecte.
So what I'm going to do is I've gone into the app. I'm going to go into devices. So it says the new device detected, tap
Your
to...
device is ready.
So the device is ready, so we're going to add a device. We are going to add an Amazon Echo. And it is an Echo Dot, 3rd generation. Is your Echo Dot plugged in and displaying an orange light? No, it's not displaying an orange light. No. Oh, okay. Why is it not displaying an orange light? Add device. Amazon Echo. Echo Dot. 3rd generation. Don't see the orange light. Press the action button for 6 seconds. There we go.
Now in setup mode.
So now
Please
it's in
follow the
setup mode.
instructions in your Alexa app.
So there we go. Continue. Turn on Bluetooth. Turn on phone's Bluetooth to discover and set up your new device. Okay, I'm going to skip the Bluetooth setup. Choose a device to set up. So I thought I'd done that. Echo Dot. Let's get your dot connected to Wi-Fi so you can start using it. Okay, it's doing the ring, the orange ring. Go to your Wi-Fi settings on this iPad and select the network format. So I'm going to go to Wi-Fi. My link there, and then it comes up with the Amazon device, which is that one.
You've connected.
So it's
now,
connected.
Go back to the Alexa app.
So now I'm going to go back to the app. Give it a few seconds. It's now going through its setup process. Echo Dot. Continue. Plug in, you've done that. Just going to go and select my Wi-Fi network. So it's now preparing the Echo Dot. This is going to take a few minutes, it says.
This device is ready.
Okay, Alexa, stop. Okay, so there we go. According to this now, it is set up. So if I go into Echoes and Alexa, I believe it's this one. So I'm going to edit the name and I'm going to call it Hooverlux. Okay. English, I'm going to change it to English United Kingdom. So it's just updating to change it to the UK English. And I think that is now done. So I can go back, increase the volume level a bit. Bluetooth devices, I don't need any Bluetooth devices at the moment. Sounds, ascending alarm, so I do like an ascending alarm. Incoming ringer, yeah. Start of request and end of request, I do like those sounds because I just want to know that she is working. Increase that up a bit. Okay, so I think we are done. Okay, so let me switch off the other Alexa that I have in here at the moment and then we'll test this one. So I've just muted the sound on the other one. Let's test this one. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 2:42 p.m.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you call a grizzly with no teeth?
I don't know.
A gummy bear.
Let's try and ask her to turn on the lights. So Alexa, turn on garden lights. Alexa, turn on garden lights. Yep, she's done it. Alexa, turn off garden lights. Alexa, what's the latest news?
Here's your news. From BBC News. The BBC.
Alexa, stop. So there we go. So she is all set up onto the system that I already have. She remembers everything. Alexa, connect to doorbell. Alexa, connect to ring. Alexa,
You have
what? Sorry?
I couldn't find that name, but you have 5 devices and 1 contact you can drop in on. Bedroom, Dorian's second Echo input, kitchens, living room, Scott's study and
Alexa,
Greg's
stop.
shower.
So there we go. That is all set up now, ready for me to use. And I'm going to be using this one in the garage instead of the Echo input because I miss my little Bluetooth speaker, which needs to go upstairs. So I'm going to use this in here. And this is fantastic just because it was literally £24. So they do have these flash sales, especially on bank holidays. So if you do want one, keep your eyes open for them to be half price because they are an absolute bargain for 24 quid. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Just another quick, brief little go at the Echo Dots. I don't have any of them with the big speakers in because personally I just don't need them because we've got the Sonos and stuff around the house, and this generation has got such a nicer sound than the other ones. It just sounds really, really good. I love it. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye y'all.